GaugeCalHP is a portable, self-contained hydraulic pressure generator used for calibrating pressure gauges, transmitters, sensors, and safety valves. Easily produce pressures up to 15,000 psi or 1,000 bar by a simple turn of the handle. Faster than any deadweight tester and most automated pressure controllers, the GaugeCalHP is the equipment of choice, whether in a lab or out in the field. Many comparators include fine adjustment knobs, but some can be very difficult to use at elevated pressures. The GaugeCalHP Fine Adjust is easy to use all the way up to the maximum pressure of 15,000 psi. The reservoir is clear, allowing you to ensure the cleanliness and level of the fluid. Each GaugeCalHP includes two pressure ports with our patented finger-tight, leak-free CPF pressure fittings. Under the connection fittings is a removable drip tray that catches fluid expelled while bleeding the system. The GaugeCalHP has a unique way to bleed trapped air from the system. Start by connecting your Crystal Engineering reference gauge directly to one of the pressure fittings and rotate it about 4 times. Turn the reservoir knob or main handle clockwise until fluid drips from the CPF weep hole. Then tighten the reference gauge. Install a quick test fitting, then turn the reservoir knob or main handle until fluid covers the O-ring. Connect the device under test to the optional CPF quick test fitting. If the gauges are not aligned after tightening, continue to turn the misaligned gauge clockwise and the port will swivel without loosening the connection. A common problem with other comparators is that large-sized gauges cannot be tested side by side with a reference gauge. The GaugeCalHP features a pivoting manifold system, which rotates to accommodate the extra space needed while keeping both gauges visible from the front. A travel indicator shows the amount of stroke available. And convenient brackets make mounting to a tabletop quick and easy. The GaugeCalHP is water or oil compatible. The inside of the comparator features a piston assembly that creates pressure when the piston is pressed into the cavity. Start by turning the reservoir knob to increase pressure, which saves strokes available through the main handle assembly. Once you have reached 15 psi, start increasing pressure by rotating the main handle. This will cause the piston to isolate the reservoir, removing it from the main system pressure. Continue to increase pressure to your desired point. Decreasing pressure is done gradually through the main handle assembly rather than a vent valve. This gauge-safe design avoids rapid pressure decreases that could damage the gauge under test. Combine the GaugeCalHP with our FastCal XP software and XP2i pressure gauges to create a complete calibration system. The GaugeCalHP provides the pressure, the XP2i accurately reads the pressure, and FastCal XP collects data directly from the XP2i and produces a calibration certificate. Eliminate typing, reduce calculation errors, and complete a 10-point up and down calibration in less than 3 minutes.